Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your iPhone SE 2020, for the first you have to enter settings. Right now click on the Touch ID and the passcode. Right now we have to scroll down and click on the turn passcode on. And right now we have to input our passcode, and mine will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Click on the use anyway and just confirm with the same. Right now we have to wait a little bit, and when we're going to turn off our screen and try to unlock our device, we have to input our passcode to enter the device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.